Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000. To find out more information about these gaming PCs, you can check out the description below. At number 5, it's the Skytech Blaze 2. Gaming is one of the most expensive hobbies you can adopt because it isn't over as soon as you buy your first system, and costs will rack up over time with upgrades, new peripherals and games. That's why it's important to invest in a gaming PC that delivers amazing value for its price. Skytech is one of my favourite gaming PC manufacturers as they compile a nice set of parts in an overall capable system for gaming. The Blaze 2 is one of its most notable systems. It comes with a nice set of hardware, cool design, cooling and ports to allow you to play the latest AAA games with high frame rates smoothly. The Skytech Blaze 2 has utilised a very attractive tower case that can also be found in other systems as well, since it's not homegrown. However, it is amazing and very well implemented into the whole vibe. It has an all-black chassis with a honeycomb mesh on the front side that adds some interesting look to it, combined with the LED on the inside. On the left-hand side, you'll find a Thermaltake H18 tempered glass that gives you a view of the internal components that include the beautifully placed fans on the front and back and the CPU heatsink. The case is a mid-tower as it measures about 15.4 by 8.1 by 15 inches in total and weighs about 23 pounds, which is right in the middle of the category. In terms of connectivity and ports, this PC is equipped with a wide range of ports, including a USB 3.1, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and a mic and headphone jack on the front. As for the back, you get 4 USB 3.0 ports, a pair of USB 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, a PS2 port, 1 HDMI, 1 DVI, an HD mic and audio ports. However, it lacks a USB Type-C port, but in the package you have a gaming keyboard and a mouse included. Coming to the most important part of this, the Skytech Blaze 2 delivers plenty of performance with its specs, as it's equipped with a Ryzen 5 2600 6-core 3.4 GHz base clock speed and 3.9 GHz boost clock speed, combined with 8GB gaming memory with heat spreader RAM and 500GB of SSD drive, which makes it a productivity workhorse. For gaming purposes, it's equipped with the top-of-the-line NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 GPU with 6GB of VRAM to deliver high frame rates and without stutters or lags. It's capable of running every AAA game without any problem. Taking everything into consideration, the Skytech Blaze 2 delivers plenty of desirable features and qualities under the $1,000 price. However, it lacks a little future-proofing, which may deter some. At number 4, it's the HP Pavilion. Next up, we have a pretty versatile PC at the sub $1,000 price from HP and its Pavilion Gaming PC. This PC, like every device under the Pavilion name, delivers plenty of value for its price and amazing performance under a gorgeous case that'll fit right into most desks. With its combination of parts that fit perfectly with one another, this PC will deliver lots of smooth gameplay with AAA titles and amazing multitasking for gamers that'll use this as their productivity computer as well. First up, I have to mention that the case of the HP Pavilion looks excellent in every sense, refined, clean and aggressive while still keeping a minimal vibe. It measures about 13.3 by 10.9 by 6.7 inches and weighs just 11.5 pounds in total, meaning it's a mini tower. It has an all-black design except the green ports and the green line of light in the middle, breaking the monotony of the brushed gunmetal front. Stylistically, everything is correct with this case. Just amazing. It's worth mentioning that the build screams quality and it's extremely accessible from the side. On the front, you'll find the slim DVD drive, a headphone jack, a mic port, an SD card reader, a pair of USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB Type-C port, excellent up front for an affordable PC. On the rear, you'll find speaker and microphone inputs, an HDMI port, 3 DisplayPort out connectors, an Ethernet port, 2 USB 2.0 ports and 4 more USB 3.0 ports to wrap it up. In terms of performance and productivity, the HP Pavilion rocks an AMD Ryzen 5 2400G 6-core processor with 3.9 GHz boost clock speed 8GB of RAM, 128GB of boosted SSD, and 1TB of HDD, delivering plenty of capability for multitasking and productivity, resulting in a pretty versatile product. As for the graphics, it's equipped with an AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics unit with 4GB of VRAM, and with that said, this PC will surely run every AAA game in 1080p settings smoothly with at least 60 frames per second, if not more. If you need a PC that can do everything under the $1,000 price, you can't go wrong with the HP Pavilion Gaming PC. At number 3, it's the Skytech Shiva. The Shiva is one of the best options in the sub-$1,000 market for gaming PCs from Skytech. This PC has a wonderful case that looks very refined, has a compilation of excellent parts, it's future-proofed and will deliver plenty of gameplay for AAA games with ultra-high settings. It has a great thermal solution, and with its CPU and GPU, it's one of the most capable PCs on the market, and it delivers excellent value for its price. The highly attractive case of the Skytech Shiva comes from InWin, specifically the white version of its 101 models. It's a mid-tower case that measures 26.2 by 14.2 by 24.5 inches in total, meaning it's specifically designed to be extremely future-proof and weighs just 35.4 pounds. The white colour is pretty scarce in the gaming industry, but the Skytech Shiva utilises it perfectly, and its transparent panel on the side showcases the internal parts of this PC perfectly. In addition to that, the build quality is one of the best. It's equipped with a great cooling system, coming in with LED RGB lights that add plenty of flair to the clean design, one of the best in the market. It's worth mentioning that this PC comes with a gaming mouse and keyboard in the package, which was capable of high-performance gaming, so this is a nice thing to have. The Skytech Shiva is a beast in the performance and productivity department, as it's fitted with a Ryzen 5 2600 6-core processor with 4 GHz of boost clock speed, 500GB of SSD, which is in top of the line, an A320 motherboard, 16GB of gaming memory with heat spreader DDR4 3000 RAM, and Windows 10 64-bit pre-installed. This makes this PC capable of working with anything you can think of, one of the most capable on the planet. However, the Shiva shines in the graphics department, as it's equipped with a top-of-the-line NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6GB of VRAM, which is capable of real-time ray tracing and amazing graphics. It doesn't get any better than this GPU, as it'll provide you plenty of frame rates in the highest settings smoothly. Shiva delivers plenty of desirable qualities under the $1,000 mark. At number 2, it's the Cyberpowerpc Gamer Xtreme. One of the best pre-built PC manufacturers in the market is without a question Cyberpowerpc. This company has delivered excellent PCs that are ready to run right from the get-go, and its Gamer Xtreme PC is one of the best in the business, and thanks to its amazing performances, great processor, amazing graphics unit, full tower case design that's upgradable, and amazing gaming experience for its affordable price, it delivers amazing value for its price. As with every gaming device, the Cyberpowerpc Gamer Xtreme follows a flashy design that'll please every gamer. It's truly an eye candy and one of the flashiest cases in the gaming PC market. It's a full-size tower that measures about 18.5 by 7.9 by 17.9 inches in total, making it very future-proof as you have plenty of space and accessibility for new upgrades. It rocks plenty of RGB lights that draw attention, and it has an aluminium construction with a black finish, and on the side you'll find tinted tempered glass that lets you look at its internal parts. In terms of performance and graphics, the company has done a perfect job of combining an extremely balanced system that performs well on every end smoothly. In the processing department, it rocks an Intel Core i5-9400F 2.9 GHz 6-core 9th generation Coffee Lake CPU in combination with an Intel B360 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of SSD and 1TB of HDD, meaning that it supports amazing multitasking and productivity. To go along with that processing power, this system delivers amazing gaming performance with its graphics unit, namely the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 GPU with 6GB of VRAM, delivering tremendous gaming prowess with high frame rates without any stutter or lag. This one is capable of running the latest AAA games without any problem at the highest settings. When taking its price, CPU, GPU, future-proofing, cooling system, connectivity options and everything in between, the Cyberpower Gamer Xtreme delivers the most value for its price. And at number 1, it's the Cyberpowerpc Gamer Master. The Cyberpowerpc Gamer Master is the definite best gaming PC under the $1,000 price. Coming in with a great full tower case that's extremely future-proof, it has plenty of performance in both processing and graphics departments, has plenty of connectivity ports, warranty and attractive RGB lighting on its affordable price that includes a gaming keyboard and a mouse. The PowerPC Gamer Master has a pretty attractive design that'll please the eye of every gamer. With its mesh top and tempered glass side panel that showcases the RGB light show, this PC fulfills the dreams of everyone. On the front side, you'll see a panel with very aggressive lines and a grey band on the right-hand side. All around this case, it has a very attractive design and will stand the test of time, as well as having plenty of space for upgradability. In the connectivity department, this device is very rich, as it has 2 USB 3.0 ports, an audio and microphone port on the top panel, and on the rear you'll find 4 more USB 3.0 ports, a pair of USB 2.0 ports, audio 7.1 ports, an Ethernet port, HDMI port and a display port to complete the package. It also has a Wi-Fi connection for convenience, but it lacks a USB Type-C port, which would have made it even better. Performance-wise, this beast is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 2700 3.2 GHz octa-core CPU, combined with an AMD B450 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 500GB of SSD, and on top of that, it's also equipped with Windows 10 operating system, making it ready to go and tackle plenty of productivity and multitasking. For the graphics prowess, it utilizes an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics unit with 6GB of VRAM, making it capable of running every game with plenty of frame rates, and all that is left to you is to get a monitor and get going with your gaming. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.